how to change MuMu Player language. So if you want to change the language in MuMu Player, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your MuMu Player and then just simply click on Setting, which is right here. Once you click on Settings, you need to just simply scroll down and go with the second option right here, and then go with the first option. Now you need to go with plus so that you'll be able to add a language. Once you go with plus, you need to just simply go with the search, which will be on the top right. Once you go with the search icon, here you need to go with your search and then search for English. After searching, you will have a lot of English languages right here. So you need to go and select any English that you're comfortable with. After selecting, now as you can see that the Chinese is still on the top list. So in order to change your language right now, you need to just simply go with the right side, which has that two horizontal lines, and you need to drag it upwards. Once you drag that, you will have your English at the top. And in this way, you'll be able to change your MuMu Player language. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.